Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Bite. In this episode, I'm going to review another MVNO carrier. This time, I will be reviewing Net10 Wireless. Net10 Wireless, which is owned by TracFone, is an MVNO that provides wireless network services from all of the major carriers. They have a variety of plans that starts at $20 for 2 GB of 4G or 5G data with unlimited text calls and unlimited international calling. Once you have used up your allotted data of 4G or 5G speeds, it will reduce it back down to 2G speeds. Now, putting in an existing phone number to Net10 was pretty easy. Once you have received your SIM card, you go to their activation page and initiate the port-in process. If you are planning to port in a Google Voice number though, which is something I did, you'll need to wait a little bit longer for the porting process to complete. Now, it took about 2 days for the port to finish and my service was fully activated. And I was figuring out why it would take so long, and after doing some research, I believe the reason why is because Google Voice numbers are designated as a landline number, and those types of number takes longer to port in. The next thing I did was test out the data speeds. Now for this testing, I am using an old 2016 iPhone SE, so I wasn't able to test 5G. The network I'm testing the phone on is using the Verizon network, so here are a couple of my speed test results. For the most part, I was getting speeds of between 15 megabits down and 25 megabits down, so pretty consistent. Voice quality during a phone call was great and also consistent. I didn't have any issues with drop calls. I also did not have any issues with SMS or MMS. Wi-Fi calling also works on Net10 Wireless and I did not have any issues with it. I also didn't have any issues with streaming videos from YouTube. Their website is simple to use. You can view your account information, manage your profiles, view your payment history. You can't see any call history. But they also have an app you can use to manage your account, and the app even has the ability to let you look at the amount of high-speed data usage that you use and also what you have left for the current month. One of the things that I don't like about Net10 Wireless is that they don't support personal hotspot features. I've tried activating it on my phone, but I would get this message. So I contacted their support via chat to see if they'd be able to activate it, but they told me that they don't support personal hotspot. Now I thought it was kind of strange because when I look up their device support documentation for an iPhone, it shows you how to enable personal hotspot. So do they support it or don't they support it? Maybe it was just a customer service rep that I was talking to that just wasn't aware of the feature. I don't know. And if you are a Net10 Wireless customer, please leave a comment below. Here are some of the things that they put in their terms of services. So once you've used up your high-speed data allotment, you'll be reduced down to 2G speeds. Now, according to that terms of service, their 2G speeds are capped at 64 kilobits per second. So, after using your high-speed data, I don't even know if you could be able to do much with that 2G speeds, because most of the time, from what I've seen, most other carriers, they capped it around like 128 kilobits per second. So yeah, 64 kilobits per second might be a little bit too slow. Also, if you're in a busy area, then your data speeds might get deprioritized at certain times. Very common amongst MVNO carriers. They also cap the quality of the streaming video to DVD quality, which is 480p. So overall, I think there are better MVNO alternatives instead of using Net10 Wireless. That's because it really depends on the pricing as well. So depending on the network you're using, you can get better deals from other places. For example, Red Pocket Mobile has a $20 plan for 3 gigabytes of high-speed data. But if you do decide to use their CDMA Verizon SIM card, you'll only get 4G and they don't support Wi-Fi calling, but they do allow you to use the personal hotspot feature. You can also look at Verizon's own prepaid service, which starts at $40 for 5 gigabytes, and you get a discount at different months. So if you keep using it for a certain period of time, you're going to get some sort of discount. Now, if you want unlimited data on Verizon network, then Visible would be another option if you're going down the prepaid route. But what do you think of Net10 Wireless? Are you a current customer? Let us know in the comments below. Let us know about the experience, any issues you have with them, because we'd really like to know what it's been like for you as a Net10 Wireless customer. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And feel free to check out some of these other videos that we've been making. See you next time.